Experiencing frequent Wi Fi disconnections with Verizon Fios? You're not alone. While Fios offers high speed fiber internet, the Wi Fi signal itself can be susceptible to various issues. This video will explain the common causes and how to troubleshoot them, even with Verizon's ongoing efforts to improve stability. We will cover everything from outdated hardware to signal interference. This is a common problem even with the rollout of the quantum fiber network. Wi-Fi signals from Verizon Fios operate on specific frequencies that can be affected by interference and obstructions. Understanding these factors and optimal router placement can significantly improve your connection stability. Wi-Fi signals operate on two main frequency bands, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. The 2.4 GHz band offers wider coverage but is more susceptible to interference, while 5 GHz provides faster speeds with less interference but shorter range. Common sources of interference include household appliances like microwaves and cordless phones, as well as neighboring Wi-Fi networks operating on the same frequencies. These can weaken your signal and cause disconnections. Physical barriers like walls, metal objects, and large appliances can significantly attenuate Wi-Fi signals. Different materials have varying levels of impact on signal strength. For best Wi-Fi coverage, place your Verizon Fios router in a central, open location. Keep it away from potential sources of interference, elevate it off the ground, and consider your home's layout to minimize obstructions. An optimally placed router ensures maximum signal coverage throughout your home, reducing dead zones and disconnections. By understanding signal interference and optimizing router placement, you can minimize disconnections and enjoy a more reliable Verizon Fios Wi-Fi experience. Your Verizon Fios router, like the Fios Quantum Gateway, acts as the central hub for your internet connection. This device manages your Wi-Fi signals and connects all your devices to the internet. Outdated firmware can cause disconnects. Regularly update through the MyFios app or website for bug fixes and enhancements. DHCP manages IP addresses for your devices. Failed lease renewals can cause disconnections by removing device access. A simple router reboot can often fix connection problems by refreshing the system. Network congestion occurs because Fios operates on a shared fiber network where bandwidth is divided among multiple users. During peak hours like evenings and weekends, increased demand can overwhelm the available capacity, leading to disconnections. During peak hours, the shared nature of the network means that when many users are online streaming, gaming, or working from home, the available bandwidth gets divided, potentially causing slowdowns and disconnections. Less commonly, disconnections can stem from ISP-level problems on Verizon's end. The Optical Network Terminal, or ONT, is the device that converts fiber optic signals to electrical signals for your home network. Software glitches or updates in the ONT can cause temporary outages. This diagram shows how Verizon's fiber optic network distributes signals from the central office through ONT devices to homes and businesses, highlighting the infrastructure that can be affected by ISP-level issues. To determine if the issue is widespread, check Verizon's official status page or websites like downdetector.com to see if other users in your area are reporting similar problems. Outage maps can show concentrations of reported issues, often around major cities where network usage is highest. As a final step, try connecting again during off-peak hours when network demand is lower. If the disconnections were due to congestion, your connection should be more stable at these times. Device compatibility and configuration play a crucial role in maintaining stable Wi-Fi connections with Verizon Fios. Older devices using outdated Wi-Fi standards may struggle to connect reliably with modern routers. Devices using older wireless standards like 802.11b, 802.11g, or 802.11n might experience connectivity issues when paired with Verizon's latest Fios routers, which support newer technologies. Incorrect Wi-Fi settings on your device can also lead to disconnections. This includes using outdated security protocols like WEP instead of WPA2 or WPA3, or simply entering the wrong network password. To avoid compatibility issues, ensure your devices support modern Wi-Fi standards like 802.11ac, also known as Wi-Fi 5, or the latest 802.11ax, which is Wi-Fi 6. These standards provide faster speeds and better reliability with Fios routers. Finally, double-check your Wi-Fi settings on each device. Make sure you're connecting to the correct network name and entering the right password. Verizon recommends using WPA3 security for maximum protection. Start with the basics. Power cycle your Fios router and ONT if separate by unplugging them for 30 seconds. Update your router's firmware. Run diagnostics using the MyFios app, which can identify issues like DNS failures. Consider switching to a wired Ethernet connection for devices that require a stable connection, desktops, gaming consoles. Also, try switching between the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi bands on your router to see if one is more stable. For larger homes or areas with weak Wi-Fi signals, advanced solutions like mesh Wi-Fi systems and Wi-Fi extenders can significantly improve coverage and stability. Mesh Wi-Fi systems work by using multiple interconnected devices to create a unified network. This eliminates dead zones and provides consistent coverage across your entire home, offering better stability than traditional single routers. Wi-Fi extenders, also called range extenders, can amplify your router's signal to reach farther areas of your home. They plug into outlets and repeat the Wi-Fi signal, but may create separate networks that can sometimes cause connectivity issues. While both solutions can help with coverage, mesh Wi-Fi systems generally provide superior performance and seamless connectivity compared to traditional extenders. Verizon's partnership with Eero makes it easy to integrate mesh technology into your Fios setup. The future of Wi-Fi is looking brighter. Newer standards like Wi-Fi 6E and Wi-Fi 7 offer faster speeds, lower latency, and reduced interference. Newer standards like Wi-Fi 6E and Wi-Fi 7 offer faster speeds, lower latency, and reduced interference. Verizon plans to upgrade routers to support these standards. By mid-2026, Verizon aims to deploy AI-driven diagnostics in their routers to proactively detect and fix disconnection issues. These advancements promise to significantly improve Wi-Fi stability and reduce disconnections in the long run. Also, the integration with 5G, 6G will enable seamless failover.